If you want to build something like this, you need to know how to build something like this. First, the theory. In this circuit, three new chips were introduced, a 4070, 4071, and a 4081. These three chips all have four of the same logic gates within them. A 4070 chip has four XOR gates, 4071 has four OR gates, and 4081 has four AND gates. The AND gates within the 4081 produce a high output only if both inputs are high as well. If both of the inputs are not high or neither is high, it will produce a low. The OR gate within a 4071 produces a high when either of the inputs are high or both of them are high. If neither of the inputs are high and both produce a low, then the output will be low as well. The XOR gate within a 4070 produces a high output when either of the inputs are high, but if both of the inputs or neither of the inputs are high, the output will be low. This is my 2-bit adder. The 2-bit adder is built including both a half and full adder in its build. The half adder gives out two inputs, one sum and one carry. The full adder has the same thing, a sum and a carry for outputs. Together, along with an OR gate, a 2-bit adder is created. With this circuit, you can add 2-bit numbers together to create a 3-bit number output. These numbers can be inputted by pressing the PBNOs. Each PBNO is 1 digit and a 2-bit number. They can be expressed in binary using 3 LEDs. This circuit has the ability to count up to 6 thanks to these 3 gates, the XOR, AND, and OR gates. When certain criteria are met, an output will give off a current to flow through them. The 2-bit adder uses current running through the logic gate to perform addition. Certain LEDs turn on to show the sum of the equation, and they will light up based on the input they are given. When the BO and AO PBNOs are pressed, current runs through the XOR gate and turns on a green LED. When B1, A1, or BO and AO are pressed, current flows through the XOR gate as well, but flows through the AND and OR gates to go into the first red LED. The farthest LED will only turn on when B1 and A1 are pressed together, or if 3 or more buttons are pressed at once. It is controlled mainly by the OR gate, along with current coming from the 4081, more specifically 2 AND gates. These are the 6 different outcomes when different buttons are pressed.